What's up, guys? It's me, Vaseline Vader 43, and in this video, I'm showing off my cyber gun. You got the pink, you got the red, you got the beans on here for no reason, and here is how I made it. So one day while plunging the toilet, I found just a straight revolver in there. I instantly got to work knowing it would be a cool video idea. After that, I went on the long trip to Mansion. That didn't work very well. Anyway, let's go test it out in sewers. Ooh, dang, one shot. Cyber gun. Ooh, okay, it's out of ammo. So the cyber gun is extremely powerful, as you guys saw. It immediately one-shots, sounds pretty cool. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.